Hi, this is Brenna Malin down here at the Hamburg Fairgrounds for the Western New York RV Show. I'm with Colton RV and Marine. I want to tell you about this motorhome behind me. This is the Coachmen Pursuit, the 27 XPS. This is a wonderful Class A if you're trying to break into the Class A market. We've got it marked down by $45,000 for the show. It's only $109,998. Now this is a wonderful motorhome that is going to be able to get into most national parks. It is under 30 feet at a total length of only 29 feet. It is the only one in its class that actually has pinch roll and vacuum sealed fiberglass on here. It comes with a 450 horsepower engine, the Ford V8. There's a couple other things I want to show you. Let's start with the storage in the back. Come right this way. It's got this huge storage that not only accesses from the sides, but also has an access from the rear. Easy to load up some of those bigger items that you bring along camping, tables, chairs, patio furniture, things like that. So on the back side of this coach, not only does this come equipped with solar, but I want to tell you about this generator. It is made by inverter technology, and it's going to give you more even energy while you're camping because it has a pure sine wave contribution. We also have the frameless windows. They're made by Lippert. And you can see it comes out nice and far, so you're going to get a lot of wind flow throughout your cabin when you don't want to use the air conditioning and it's nice outside. All right, let's go check out the inside. Another nice thing about this coach is that it has no slides. Much easier to maintain for someone who is just kind of breaking into the RV lifestyle. Now, as you can see, it's nice and clear up here. When you're driving down the street, you have a huge view of the road. You can take pictures as you're touring the country. It also does have a bunk, so unlike the Class C, the bunk is held on the roof. This one is also easy because it isn't mechanical. You simply just undo this little latch here and on the other side, and then you're gonna pull it down all the way, and then it flips down, and now you have a bed that can hold up to 300 pounds. So an adult or a child can easily sleep up there. Also, the dinette turns into a bed, as well as the couch. You have plenty of seat belts in this. You have a total of 8 between the driver, the passenger, 4 on the dinette, and 2 on the couch. So lots of people can travel with you in this Class A. Let's move towards the back. So you'll notice in this kitchen, it is very beautiful, and they use real tile on the backsplash. You do have a 12-volt refrigerator. So the nice thing about the 12-volt, not only does it cool down pretty fast compared to those propane electric refrigerators, but you also are going to be using the battery, which is charged by your solar. So you can use this on the road. It'll keep everything cold very easily. Now coming back to the shower, you'll notice that they really used a nice style with that marble background in the shower. Nice and beautiful. It's going to be nice to show off to your friends. Now you do have a separator right here. So when you want privacy, you do have privacy in the bedroom. Here's your bathroom. It does have a porcelain toilet. You'll notice it's on an angle, so it's pretty easy to access on both sides. You do have storage under the sink, some nice shelves down at the bottom. You also have storage right in here. Okay, moving into the bedroom. You have another separator here. So you have one if someone's using the restroom, but you also have one that you can close off and still have access to the bathroom. Now they put an upgraded queen size mattress in this coach. So it's nice and comfortable. Over here on the side, you have a wardrobe and a much larger wardrobe on the other side. There are drawers underneath both of the nightstands, as well as overhead storage. Once again, this is Brenna Malin. Come on down to the Hamburg Fairgrounds for the Western New York RV Show. We're here now through this weekend on Sunday, January 28th.